Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Tuesday, November the 9th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, but in this newspaper we have also an additional with a lot of puzzles. I believe there are today 9 puzzles. Yes, 9 puzzles. But later on I will solve these puzzles. But first, the regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku, and this will be an easy one. Yes. By the way, I'm concerning because on the news there are 12,000 people infected every day. So question will be, will there be another lockdown here? I'm afraid there will be another lockdown. And we need also use the Corona green pass, and not everyone has a green pass. So I'm concerning about that also. Anyway, let's start with this puzzle. This will be number 3655. Yes, 3655. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 29. I've already counted, so it should be an easy one. Easier than the 1-star Sudoku in additional, because the 1-star has 27 and this one has 29. So need to be faster than 50 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. So we will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1 and number 1. All right. Then, how about the 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? The number 6 in this column. 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5. Wait. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here another 6 in this row, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now we have a 6 here. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 6. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Alright. Then. How about the number? The number. 9, 2. Two numbers left in the middle column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9. We'll have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. And 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So the first row, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? Yeah. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below, above. So in that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, first column. 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. Now I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Here should be the 4. Alright. How about yeah. 1, 2, 7, 8. How about these two numbers? In the third column, those two numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and the 8. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 8 goes there. Okay. Then. How about 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8. And look, we have an 8 there in this row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. Let me mark those. Here also. of course, 2 and a 7, because we have a 2 and a 7 here. Here also 2 and a 7. Yeah, need to wait. 8, 8. How about the number? Yeah. These two numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 5. 2, 5, 8. 2, 5, 8. 7, 8, 9. 7. Yeah, we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. Okay, we have a pair, 2 and a 3 in this row, 2 and a 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 3 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 3. So 1 box left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. All right. Okay. Let me see. For the next number, how about this number? One missing number in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the last column. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7 we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 1 number left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And we have a pair, 7 and 8 in this column, the last column. Oh, no. I mean the 2 and 8. The 2 and 8 in the last column. The 2 and 8 in the column next. So that column, the only two places for the 2 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, well, took a little bit longer than I expected, but I've solved this puzzle again, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.